Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the outer door handle on Volkswagen Golf Plus. Here I'm replacing the front door handle, but the procedure to replace the rest of the door handles on the other doors is the same. To remove the door handle, first we need to remove this lock mechanism, which is held by one bolt, which we need to turn. It's just behind this thing, and this is the Torx that I'm going to use. It's T20. So we put our Torx in there. Just you make sure you reach the bolt, you pull out the handle and start turning the bolt until it doesn't want to turn anymore. Make sure before you turn the bolt, make sure you pull out the handle and you start turning until you feel it to stop. Here you can see I'm continuing to turn the bolt with the handle out, and eventually you feel it stop. Here it is. You feel it. I can feel it stop. Now you can get a plastic pry tool, or just if you can do it by hand, just pull out this lock mechanism. Here it is. The lock mechanism is out. Before removing the door handle, first we need to remove this cable that the door handle is pulling out. We need probably a screwdriver just to pry out this cable, and then we can take out the door handle. You just pull the door handle to the right and just take it out. And that's the door handle out. Next we're going to put on the outer door handle. First we're going to put that part in there. That part has to click into place, so we push the door handle on this side, and then we push it to the left and it will click in place. Here you can see how it clicked into place. Now we need to put on the cable for the door handle that the door handle is pulling, and then we can put on this lock mechanism. To put the lock mechanism in its place, first we need to pull out the door handle a little bit and then just push it in. Now we're going to take our Torx bit and we're going to tighten the bolt holding the lock mechanism. Once that bolt is tightened, then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.